we supplied and built this SaunaLife Model G3 for a client in Southampton, New York. Very beautiful looking outdoor sauna. Very unique parabolic arch design, all built with the natural wood and roof shingles. The sauna came as a kit. We put all the pieces together. Very unique and beautiful. The sauna has 2 benches, one on each side of the front entrance. The inside is also all wood. We installed a hum electric heater, one of the best heaters on the market. Benches are very beautiful. As you can see, they're curved, making them very comfortable when you sit on them, and the smell of the wood is beautiful, very inviting. Gappsi is a supplier of SaunaLife for backyard use and also indoor use. Outdoor sauna built and supplied for a client in Southampton, New York.